Okay, and then you have a kasa about graphs data structure. Graph data structure no, a type of data structure represents a relationship between nodes, right? Nodes can be individuals. Nodes a bit my nipa, a bit my cities. It can be anything that you can think about, right? A bit my cities, and maybe as a different any objects. Maybe location between different locations of your company, and I say different locations of individual, right? Usually, graph data structure a bit more represents something like this. A bit more representing it in such a way like this. Right. Graph can be represented a bit more representative BBC, right? And fancy be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, right? This is how we example of each of these way, circles we now from nodes, right? If any nodes. And I has say nina we say lines na connect each node near from edges, right? Graph you can see say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? And a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 10 be edges, and I say nodes is equal to edges plus 1, right? And graphs and also no. In fact, say graph data structure, right? Yeah, two types of graph data structure. It can be directed or it can be undirected. Graph data structure you are represent to us is undirected, which means 8 bit mark 3, 3 bit mark 8, 8 bit mark 9, 9 bit mark 8, 2 bit mark 8, 8 bit mark 2, 4 bit mark 3, 3 bit mark 4, undirected, right? We can also have a directed data structure. Right, A bit my T, Z, M, V, O. But direction you see. Right. Direction you see. We a kind of graph data structure that is directed, which means Z quite a bit to Mako T. M bit to Mako direction here one direction per M bit to Mako Z, M bit to Mako U, Z bit to Mako O, right? But it cannot go the opposite direction. It means go opposite direction. So that's also another type of data structure. Yeah, well, another type of data structure, so we to my friend weighted data structure, right? And here I'm say was setting up data structure like something like BBTCC. If I say higher Accra, higher Tema, higher Nsawam, higher Kumasi, Inti, Tema to Kumasi, if I say 50 miles, right? It doesn't even matter, back and forth, right? Back and forth, 50 miles. Tema to Nsawam, 15, right? Nsawam to Accra, 5 miles. Weighted nature say, in fact, weighted nature say distance no. The distance at something and no number and the edges in the length between the two. Engineer man a weighted data structure, right? And fancy them to another way, meaning in be another Kruger and Crown or Koforia, right? nti ɛno nso ebi ɛbɛyɛ 30, right? Nti this is some kind of weighted data structure, right? Now, graph data structure, we probably just said no there, right? Examples of the things are the graph data structure. One, if you want on the Google Maps, right? We use to graph in Sabia, so Google Sabia chicken pizza man near me, or a pizza man near me. Graph algorithm normally determines pizza man back has say 5 miles away from you, back has say 3 miles away from you. And I say grandpa Google Maps no it will amount alternatives, no make a similar estimates, right? It will also make us offer different routes. I will take you this amount of time. So graph data structure and on the SRD. And I will share to social media, right? Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Nina I am trying to say connections with. Maybe our hanoma who follow via, right? A node, or before from see another node, or be see another node. So who follow be follower, no more establish a connection. So who follow be but only pan follower a directed just if you are now follow into no, it will just be this direction, right? And that is also another implementation that we use graph data structure for. Everyone's one word you use to teams, and maybe our co teams are now share hierarchy. Now you can see yourself, you can see corporate hierarchy between so much share from CEO, right? Corporate hierarchy. If you are from CEO, we sit down, we want connections no after CEO. If you are CFO, you this. Now basa boss now be CEO so I say, right? Now be CEO so I say, intino. And I'm saying so there are so many implementations, right? LinkedIn connections now they are there no, and recommendations, right? E-commerce recommendations now they are there now. Graph data structure, you know what it is. We'll touch more on graph data structure. I'll be solving questions related to graph data structure. I'm quick explanation for you guys. All right, bye.